Hello all, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to explain a shortcut trick for multiplying the numbers ending with 5. For example, 35 into 45. These kind of problems can be classified into two types. So the first one is even case, the second one is odd case. Example for an even case is, let's take 35 into 55. So here when we add the numbers in the tens place, we get 3 plus 5, which is equal to 8. Here 8 is a even number, so it comes under even case. For odd case, let's take 35 into 45. When we add 3 and 4, we get 7. So 7 is a odd number, so it comes under odd case. Now let's see how to solve the problems coming under even case. Let's take an example, 35 into 55. For all problems coming under even case, the answer will end with 25. So in step 1, we need to multiply 3 and 5. 3 into 5 is equal to 15. In the second step, we will add 3 and 5 and divide by 2. So 3 plus 5 by 2 is equal to 8 by 2. The answer will be 4. In the third step, we will add the values from step 1 and step 2. So that is 15 plus 4, which is equal to 19. Therefore, the answer is 1925. Let's see few more examples. 45 into 85. Here the last digits will be 25. Now multiply 4 into 8. We get 32. The second step is 4 plus 8 by 2. That is 12 by 2, which is equal to 6. Now 32 plus 6 is 38. So the answer is 3825. 15 into 35. The last digits will be 25. 1 into 3 is 3. The second step is 1 plus 3 by 2, which is 4 by 2, 2. So the answer is 525. Let's see one more example. 115 into 35. Here also the last digits will be 25. Now multiply 11 and 3, we get 33. The second step, add 11 and 3, we get 14. 14 by 2, that is 7. Therefore the answer is 4025. Now let's see how to solve the problems coming under odd case. The procedure is very similar to even case. Let's take an example, 35 into 55. For all the problems coming under odd case, the answer will end with 75. So in step 1, we will multiply 3 into 4. We get 12. Step 2, add 3 and 4 and divide by 2. So 3 plus 4 by 2, that is 7 by 2, we get 3.5. We can round it off to 3. Now step 3 is to add 12 and 3. In step 3, we'll add 12 plus 3, which is equal to 15. Therefore, the answer is 1575. Let's see few more examples from odd case. 35 into 65. The last digits will be 75. 3 into 6, 18. The second step, 3 plus 6 by 2. That is 9 by 2, 4.5. We can take it as 4. So the answer will be 2275. Let's take another example, 15 into 25. The last digits will be 75. 1 into 2 is 2. 1 plus 2 by 2, which is 1.5. That is, we'll take it as 1. So the answer is 375. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.